Good morning, Myrtle Beach. Just woke up. Haven't had any coffee yet. No breakfast. Day one of the beach. Official day one. Everybody's outside. What's going on?
The beach police is calling people to get rid of their...
I'll tell you one thing, if my baby is sleeping, I'd say, well, you know what, when the baby gets up...
Jeep.
Oh, little Jeep guy.
Where'd he go?
He's down there.
The guy at the tent. Tell him you gotta take it down.
Here we are at the pool for our first pool visit of the season. Not bad. Oh, a story. Well, oh gosh, let me sit down for story time.
And this man right here is showing me how to use goggles, but he doesn't have a mouth.
That
He just has a nose.
kind of creepy. Like a weird fish guy. Ugh.
There's Mom.
Oh, mother! I say, mother! Caw-caw, caw-caw! Caw-caw, caw-caw! She's deaf.
He's deaf.
Yo, Donna!
Are you deaf, Mom?
She's like, where are my children?
We literally told her we were going down here.
Yep. Hey, we're going down to the pool.
She doesn't
Okay.
listen.
Oh, there you are.
Was she trying to find us?
Oh.
I hear Gene talking, but I don't see him.
He's from Massachusetts.
He's the new invisible man.
He's a loud one. I can hear Debbie.
Where's Debbie? Where are they?
They must be sitting closer to the door.
Down here by the pool. Because we don't have our blow-ups.
Alright, look in the old bag here. And get ready for
Avoid touching
story
or
time.
rubbing it.
How's the water?
Cold.
No, it's not. It's very, very nice once you get...
It's very nice and relaxing.
He's the one that hates me because I yell. I can't see.
We found our friend.
These are the only ones that you have in the room.
Okay, good.
Ones are in the car.
What's up? You still taking pictures?
Yep.
Wow. What a big butt. Big butt just went by me.
Wow, amazing. Sand. Oh, I wore my flip-flops. I didn't think this through. Ooh. Like can't even get through here anymore. It used to be an actual path. Lord. Yikes. I know, you can't even see the fence anymore. There's a fence under there somewhere.
I'm pretty sure there are fences under the sand.
Beach hair, don't care. Oh, that's cold. Oh,
I just got out of the pool.
oh boy.
Like, if I just got out of the pool, shouldn't this feel warm?
You would think. Splish splash. Oh, oh no. Oh god, that's cold. Retreat. Bad idea. Abort. Abort. It's our place. cloudy today. Oh God, that's cold.
Them people back there.
Them people back here every year.
Yeah, because their son always has that headband on. The dad always has like a cowboy hat on, and then the mother always has like the chair with the blue stripes.
Oh yeah.
Because last year she wasn't here, and then Mom asked the dad, like, "Where's your wife? Somewhere else doing another vacation?" And
Without her family?
And then he was
The
like, "Well,
scandal.
I'm glad people are checking in on us." That's my impression of his voice.
Oh, good job. Spot on. I don't know what he sounds like. The wind over here is crazy.
Whoa, it's a wind tunnel! Whoa!
Very windy.
Yup.
Go in, go in! Go! Did you get there?
There she comes, Miss America.
Oh, you're going like that?
Yeah, look. He likes Michael because he's white.
He thinks you're his mama.
Oh, you're so cute! Hello! Hello! Will you go up and down, please? Baby.
Oh yeah.